Hi friends, welcome to Arnab Ghosh Psychonomy. Why can't government print more money and distribute to the jobless or poor in this lockdown situation? $1 million question, right? Few days back, I have told my child that the money she used to buy candy is created by the government. Suddenly, she came up with a question, why can't the government print more money and make us rich, Papa? I thought any person of any age can be curious about this question. So let's have a look at the answer today with some facts and figures of economics. But it's my humble request to all of you to please subscribe my channel and put comments however you feel, good or bad. No issues. So let's come up to the point. How do a person get rich? Obviously by having more money, we will know that. But how a country can get rich? A country can get rich by its economic output only. Economic output means the production of the whole country, or the most common word these days in the esteemed newspapers and news channels, that is GDP, gross domestic product. So more the value of the goods produced by a country, more rich the country will be. Now come to the main point of focus. What's the problem with printing more money? Suppose a country produce 100 items of goods and services, and cash available in the market is also rupees 100. So its simple item costs 1 rupee each. But if the government decides to print another 100 rupees, whatever may be the issue, so now total money in the market is rupees 200. So friends, calculate the cost of each product now. It's rupees 2 per item, just double, because money in the market is also doubled by the government. Now imagine you have visited to buy a dream house today, which costs 25 lakhs of rupees, and government decided to print money to double the cash availability in the market today, maybe due to this lockdown situation, due to jobless people or poor for distribution purposes. Tomorrow, when you go to finalize your deal of dream house, the price is rupees 50 lakhs, double. How do you feel, dear? This exactly is called inflation. Now, some facts of other countries who have printed money. In the year 2008, Zimbabwe, they printed money to repay governmental loans, and the inflation suddenly jumped to 79% overnight. Simply, the breads used to be sold there at 2 billion Zimbabwe dollars. Another example is of Hungary. After World War II in 1946, suffered the worst hyperinflation in history. The situation was so worse that the government changed their currency 3 times in 3 months of time. Anyhow, at present, inflation in India in the year 2009 was 3.44%. So we are safe as of now. Anyhow, so it is proved that no country can get rich by printing currency only. Equivalent production of goods and services is mandatory. Rest in the next. Goodbye for today, and kindly like, subscribe and comments on the channel.